My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on applied data science with Python. This is lecture number 499. In this lecture, we will try to understand code sample of DBSCAN algorithm. sklearn has a nice implementation of DBSCAN in sklearn.cluster.dbscan. Let's look at all the parameters that we have. Just see, we have our EPS parameter, first one. Which one is first parameter? Epsilon parameter. What is this? This is EPS. What is its default value? 0.5, isn't it? Next one is we have min underscore sample, isn't it? Min underscore samples, which is nothing but min points. And the distance metric, what is the distance metric? Is Euclidean or other metrics of your choice. And the algorithm is fun part here. What is the algorithm? Algorithm is equal to auto. Just see, algorithm by default. What is default value of algorithm? Auto or ball tree, KD tree, brute, isn't it? Here you can how can I interpret this? Algorithm is a fun part here. As far as distance metric is concerned, you can choose any metric of your choice. Algorithm basically says which algorithm you want to use to find your range queries, and they are often referred to as region query. I think region query is a better term or more used term. So you can either say, if you choose auto, it will directly determine what is the best weight. It can use ball tree or KD tree or just brute force, and the least size parameter basically is related to KD tree or ball tree of ball tree. If you use these trees, it says what should be the leaf size. What should be the what is the leaf size? Leaf size is equal to what is the default value of leaf size is 30, isn't it? It says what should be the leaf size. If you are building these trees, ball tree is a slight variation of KD tree, where instead of breaking the data into cuboids, breaks it into balls or spheres, or rest of the parameters are very straightforward. You have your number of jobs. Just see, you have number of jobs. Even if you go to the first slide itself, where it is, you have number of jobs, isn't it? Number of jobs. If you want to parallelize it and things like there is a nice demonstration of DBSCAN algorithm. Just I request all of you to go through this demo of DBSCAN, and the code is very simple. You basically just see, you basically import. What will you import? Just see, info from sklearn.cluster, import DBSCAN, isn't it? You can say db equal to DBSCAN. You can give parameters. Your epsilon, you are giving 0.3, min underscore sample 10. Fit function, we discussed this fit function many times. You give all the parameters that you want to do, and you fit it the data. Very simple. This is again standard format that we have seen. The only the key thing that we have to see is that you have to improve that you have to import your DBSCAN module. Just see, if we are importing DBSCAN module that we want to use, and just understand all the hyperparameters. Just see, just I request all of you to go through this particular demonstration code so that you can understand. I request all of you to go through this particular download Python source code, plot DBSCAN underscore py, download Jupyter notebook. Just observe these codes. Just check all these documentation related to code samples of DBSCAN algorithm. Thank you very much.